Come on, Micah.
Mine isn't maybe as like dramatic
Come on.
as yours, but I feel like when I have a really close friend or like a boyfriend or something, I like invest all of me into that. And like so many of my friends have said like had like backstab me.
You have to be able to take care of yourself for other people to be able to trust you. I really strongly believe you have the capacity to do that.
Micah.
I think that
Dada. And Mama. And Mama.
backstab everybody.
Come on. Come on.
You getting choked.
Mommy's right here. You just gotta come over here.
I never met my dad, so my grandparents too. I just felt so
Yeah, you can do it.
believe in gay or whatever. I just said it was such a lie.
Come on, baby. Oh, baby, go boom.
Everyone else made a believe. I could have taken grandparents.
Yeah, you just gotta get right back up.
Just want to talk. I was raised by them.
Amber opened up a lot. By Amber opening up so much, it made me remember stuff from my past.